Everyone, this is Kijin Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko na ito reaction video. Ang pagkanta naman ng Jamiel sa Soyu. It's been a while that hindi ako nakagawa ng reaction video sa Jamiel. So agad-agad, ito na. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ang tagal ko na. Ay, ang ganda ng boses ni Mariel doon na.
Ang mga team lang.
Ang ganda ng boses ni Mariel doon, in fairness.
Christian Pasana, Aaron Regala, Pia Kaduya.
Pia Kaduya.
Alam mo, ko lang
Oh.
bakit parang laging white and black yung nananalo? Walang black, white, you know.
Hindi yung
So
sunod-sunod.
parang balance talaga yung
Balance pa sila sa
Oo.
ngayon.
Sinasadya kaya yun?
Ay,
Or...
hindi ko alam.
Ay, tignan
Parang
natin,
depende yata yan
Depende.
kung anong mangyayari.
Parang gusto na maglaban kayo kasi white-black eh.
Yes.
Tignan natin.
Eto na nga, no.
Bakit anong meron sa white black for today's video?
Para alamin ang gigil at galing ni na Robbie Domingo at
kakanta.
Jella Ataide with Coach Vimy Rivera and Kenson.
Pero kakanta pa sila, di ba?
Survival reality show
Kakanta pa sila
ng
dito.
ABS-CBN at Nita
Okay.
Studios.
Ngayon, Rewrite the Stars ang kakantahin nila. Live, on the spot. On the spot ba? Di ako sure. Hindi tayo sure for today's video kung on the spot. Charis.
Uy, ngayong araw na yan, 16.
Correct. Tayo na, sasali nga tayo dyan eh. Mamayang alas
Oh,
3. After natin
exciting.
dito, di ba?
After natin dito.
Si ano eh, si Eris.
Oh, hindi ako pantasan ka. School to.
School.
Oh, bad boy doon sa school.
School to. Yung totoo. Baklang twa.
Hoy, pinawagan niya ang damitan.
Baklang twa. Ano ba?
Bad boy. Di ba? Mga ganon. Parang intelligent.
Kupo ni JM, no?
Pinatulog.
Yung
Lagi nakaganon, no?
Oo nga,
Oo,
tapos
pero
mamaya tulo na yung laway
Oo,
dyan.
pero pag tinawag sila ng teacher, alam nila
May
yung sagot.
isasagot.
Oo,
Oo,
ganon.
tama.
Sila yung tinatawagan ng boys at the back! Ganon.
Boys at the back.
Ganda,
Noisy.
ganda. Pero ito,
Kasi,
talagang Valentine's dito dahil sa Soyu. Kaya naman madlang onliners, pakinggan na natin ang nakakakilig na boses ni Jamiel.
ito na. Go, go, go. Bakit kami? ang arte ni Mariel doon. Charis. O hindi MM lang yung arte.
Hi, let's go.
Okay, G. Let's check what Jamiel has to offer.
It's not a secret I tried to hide. You know you want me. So don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in your cards. Your fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I desire that you're my destiny?
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were ready to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart.
Ganda ng blending.
You'll be the one I was meant to.
Tatal ng blending.
It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be.
Ang linis talaga ng boses ni Mariel.
Rewrite the stars. Maybe the world can be ours tonight. Oh, You think it's easy? You think I'll
Gwapo ni JM.
to you, but there are mountains.
Placement.
Doors that we can walk through. I know you wonder why.
Ay, kailangan ba talaga ganyan, ma'am? Kailangan ba talaga may tinginan? Ay, wait lang, kailangan ba talaga may tinginan talaga sila? Ganun ba talaga yun, ma'am? Ganun ba talaga yun, ma'am? Look at that. Ay,
These walls, but when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless.
ang ganda ng rendition nila. In fairness, live to, ah. Ni JM. Wow. Eh? Hala, yung ruby mo yun, hala. Hala siya.
And I'm not
Si JM, may ibig sabihin talaga dun. Totoo lang.
It's not up to me, yeah.
Everyone tells us what we can be.
How can we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world can be ours tonight. All I want is to fly
Grabe yung range. The range.
So just give me all of you.
It feels impossible.
It's not impossible. Say that it's possible.
Ganda, ganda, ganda. Jamiel. Ay, ang taas. Ang taas na. Wow. Linis. Love it.
Why don't we rewrite the stars, changing the world to be ours?
Ang ganda dun sa last part. Wait lang, ang ganda sa last part. Ang ganda.
Why don't we rewrite the stars, changing the world to be ours?
Galing, 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 ganda.
It's not a secret I try to hide, but I can
Nakakainis si JM. May landi talaga. Malandi si JM dito. Totoo lang. Ang landi niya. Merong part dito eh. Ang landi ni JM dito, I swear.
Parang kaya rin natin, Kuya Aries.
It's not a
Meron dito, meron dito.
tell us is what we can be.
Grabe yung tingin ni JM dito.
The stars, maybe the world can be ours tonight. All I want
Ayan eh. Ayan eh.
with you, all I want is to find.
Anyways, okay na yan dear. Kinikilig na tayo. Sobra na.